you want to have access to your saved videos on Instagram but don't know how, then here's a video for you. In this video, I'll detail how to find saved videos on Instagram. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application. Locate and click on the profile picture at the bottom right. Once you click on the profile picture, this is going to take you to your Instagram profile page. On the profile page, click on the three lines at the top right, which is the menu. Now hang on for settings and activity page to load. Once the settings and activity page loads, click on saved. And now you have access to all your saved photos, saved posts, and even saved videos on Instagram. So that is exactly how to find and see saved videos on Instagram. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.